focus is on. Alright peeps, mail call, so it's unboxing time. Let's see what we've got. Ooh, that was easy. That was easy. Haha! The second of the ones I'm after. 3, 2, 1 Action by busiek, Brad Walker and Steve Rude. Originally published in single magazine form in Legends of the DC Universe 14, Action Comics 852 to 854 and Superman 665. So, Superman 3, 2, 1 Action. And this feels like there's 2 in here, so it's going to be one or 2 things. Hopefully it's first one, but we'll see. Nice. Yes. Redemption by busiek, Fabian Chaser and Walt Simonson, and The Third Kryptonian by busiek, Wayne McDuffie and Rick Lenardi and Renato Guides. So I basically call this unboxing busiek. Originally published in single magazine form in Action Comics 847, a Superman 668 670, and Superman Annual 13. And Redemption. Originally published in single magazine form 659, 666, and Action Comics 848 and 849. So 3 more busiek graphic novels, as well as the Chaser and others. But yeah, busiek Superman, not bad. There's more coming, including Camelot Falls 1 and 2, and Back in Action. And I think something else, but I'm not sure which. But so far so good. Anyway, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment. Hit that notification button and join me on my journey to 100. When I get to 100, I'll be doing the Pentatonics Mega React 375, and it'll be a £10 giveaway, £7.50 £20 giveaway, and 1,000 subscribers hot chip challenge. Never get there, never get there. But if you want to see me in pain, click the subscribe.